Introducing the Caddy Shield. Let our caddy take the weight off your shoulders. Giving you a zero gravity effect, this caddy allows you to focus on your procedure with ease and comfort. The Caddy Shield is designed to carry the weight of your apron, allowing you to stand behind the device while your apron rests on our uniquely designed hanger. This means you get X-ray protection without the burden of heavy weight on your shoulders. Thanks to our H-brace design, you can stand as close to the apron as needed, giving you full freedom of movement for your arms and hands. The Caddy Shield moves effortlessly with its lightweight, aluminum ergonomic design. Once you have it in place, simply lock the 4 casters for stability. With an adjustable height range from 47 inches to 69 inches, the Caddy Shield is suitable for users of varying heights, ensuring comfort for everyone. The Caddy Shield by Phillips Safety. Comfort, protection, and freedom all in one.